Hey guys, Nick here at Stormy Hill Harley-Davidson, and today we want to talk to you about inputting a destination on your 2019 GTS infotainment center. Important to remember that when you're sitting still like I am, you don't really need the power for the ignition. What you want to do is switch it all the way over to accessory. The reason you want to do that is it draws less power from the bike, therefore only powering what you need to use. You can navigate the screen using the 5 directional joysticks on either side of the handlebars, up, down, left, right, enter, and up, down, left, right, and enter on the right hand side as well. It's also a very responsive touchscreen. As you can see, it works just like your cell phone. You're going to press the home screen button right here, and we're going to go ahead and navigate over to navigation. Press the center icon. It's going to take you to your map. Your map is your home screen now. To find the destination input section, you press the search icon. Search icon's in the top left hand corner. Takes you to your destinations. Press search icon yet again, and enter the name or address of a business or location you'd like to go. For the sake of today's demonstration, let's check out Sonny's Barbecue, because frankly, who doesn't like barbecue, am I right? You can see how quickly it populates, how easy it is to navigate and use. Press the search icon in the top right hand corner, and it's going to show you all the destinations that are closest to you. Northeast, let's go ahead and find Sonny's Barbecue close to us. You can hear her in the background telling you the route's being calculated. Once that's done, the go icon will be highlighted. Press go.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
Proceed to the highlighted route like she has suggested. And once you get to your destination, remember this important fact. Bottom right hand corner right here is a stop sign. That stop icon cancels out your trip. It will not keep you going on the same U-turn process. If you go home from Sonny's Barbecue without canceling your trip, you will be told to U-turn and U-turn and U-turn. That's why we're doing this. So check out the stop button. You have 3 options there. Stop, pause, or no, I don't want to cancel this route, I want to keep going. Press stop. Therefore, the world is now your oyster. You can travel anywhere else you'd like to go. Once you're done with that, navigation's clear. Press the icon again, and here's time for a shameless plug. Press the bar and shield logo, click on Stormy Hill Harley-Davidson, and come see JR, myself, and Jim. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate you. If there's any other videos we can do, any other tips or tutorials we can give you, please let us know. We'd love to do so. If nothing else, I'll see you on the hill.